G'day, I'm Heron from Kiwi Rider Podcast, and I'm absolutely stoked to be able to share with you finally my brand new bike. It is a 2020 Yamaha Tenere 700, and now it's time to start making it mine with some modifications. First up, Quadlock have sent me a new handlebar mount, a new case for my phone, the rain poncho, and the brand new vibration dampener. Inside the handlebar mount kit is all you need to fasten the handlebar mount to your bike. It comes with a couple of spacers, an Allen key to do up all the bolts, the mount itself, and the handlebar clamp. Start by unboxing the vibration dampener. There's a bolt down inside here. Attach that to the handlebar clamp, and then put the Quadlock mount on top of that. Choose the correct spacer for your bars, undo the clamp, insert the spacer, and now you're ready to install the Quadlock on your bike. Before doing all the bolts up tightly, make sure you choose a location that's not going to interfere with the handling of your motorcycle. Once you've got it all installed, the Quadlock allows you to have your mobile phone in portrait mode or in landscape mode. And it even works with the waterproof poncho over your phone. Quadlock's available from motorgear.co.nz or chat to your local motorcycle parts stockist. To find out more, check out Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or your favourite podcast player and search Kiwi Rider Podcast.